So this form, let's check design advanced form with logics. So now today we just check the logics of creating a form. So we have different types of creation. Uh, so if we are clicking on the new form, so we have 5 type of form creation. So the blank part we discussed yesterday, CRM form we discussed. So today we just try with the form template, whatever template we have, we can just select the same template and use the same template for form creation and try to integrate with the CRM or with the other Zoho platform. So before starting, have you tried with any
Yeah.
integration? So can we check if you log in your system so we can check?
I think I haven't done integration, but I have created forms, those things, integrations.
Can you show me?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop sharing. You can share your screen.
Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've created like the like created 2 forms, and one is from PDF. I converted the PDF into forms.
Okay.
And and I added some rules for this form.
Okay.
Like I tried adding some rules,
Field rule. Okay.
and I also explored this
Mm.
adding a form to it and all those things. Like I shared this form link, and I have opened it on my phone mobile phone.
Mm-hmm.
All these things.
Okay. So
That's all.
integration with which platform you have done the integration? Is there any form with integrate any other platform?
Uh, I think I've done this with this
Creator.
Zoho Creator, I think.
Okay. Maybe it's a different form.
Yeah.
This is the approval process.
Like I
This
connected
is.
the creator.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So in creator, you have create a new form, new app,
Yeah,
new form, and with that you have created this. Is this?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I think you got the things what we are just going to be try in the Zoho form. So you have done the PDF part, CRM we done, blank form is also you have done. Integration if you have done the creator. So I think if creator you have done, so other is very easy. You can easily able to integrate. So now form template is also the same thing. We are just going to be select a specific template. Now the selection, like which type of selection we are just going to be do. This is as per depend on the requirement basically. So if we have a requirement from like order, feedback, request, contact, if we don't have in this kind of requirement, then we can create a blank. If we have, so we can use like lead generation we have. So some field is already available. So we need to add some field more. But as per the flow, only the name and the like phone number, email, that kind of field we need for generating a lead or capturing a customer detail. So for that, some field is already there. So that is easy. We can just select a theme, background, color, and color theme. We can, hmm, sorry, we can change, but some is already there. So we need to only add it. So some work is going to be less. So suppose I'll just select this. We can preview the template, how it has look, and like this is a good option, I think. So suppose this theme, I like this theme, but this is for event registration. So I can change as per my requirement. I can change for lead request. So I'm just using the same template. Okay, so now the field is there. If I want to add another field, I can add it. If not, so we can just save it. So whatever theme or background color combination we take it, it's going to be changed. So let's access this form. So now the name, last name, email, phone number, and topic. Prefer short, it is a drop down. So now what we can do, just change this registration name. So like this way we can change. So like this way, we can change any theme into any form or any. Now same form we can use anywhere. As we today we just go through with this functionality in the form functionality. So this is one column, two column, three column. So you can see this. This is basically field we are just ticket. Like suppose I'm just ticket one column. So So now this is kind of a like table, or we can say if I'm just taking two column, the same session divided into two part. If I just take two column, so it is divided into two part. Now here I can drag a name, email, and if I just select in this, so only single field it is there. So as per that, we can change the section, column, row, and this is for three. So same as three column is reflecting. These field we know this is the basic field name, address, phone number, email, website. Why it is in the basic information? Because whenever you are just selecting these field with the correct validation, it is going to be populated. In the phone number, we cannot type any alphabets. In the website, we need to put it .com domain kind of thing. Simple text we can't leave. Address is kind one line, two lines, street, country, and full address it reflecting. So that's why it is in the basic information. Now we are moving into the text box. Text box is a single line. Single line, if you want to input any value from anything, so you can give a name and just take it. Text field. Mandatory duplicate option is also there. And multi-line, if I want, my text limit is more than 250, so I can use the multi-line field. This is same as all the forms. Number, decimal, formula, currency is same as which we using previously. Choice option, drop down, radio, checkbox, multiple choice, or image choice. Image choice option you didn't see. So if we create image choice option, so we can just upload a multiple image and anyone is going to be select. That we can configure like image choose option is like we are captcha we are filling, kind of picture we are filling, so that also we can create. or we have a multiple image option like correct image or any product. If we have multiple product and customer can select a product, so on that part also we can give the image option. Radio, radio checkbox drop down, text box number currency. Date time, so this is also the month year, also we can put it month year. In other is not there because date, time and date is there in the previous form. So file upload, image upload, audio video upload, this is also the same. Rating option, we can give the rating option. There is a 5 star is showing, you can put it like 5 is the maximum. So symbol you can take it as whatever you like it, you can just select this. Slider is kind of rating. It is also, you can mark as 1 to 100 is the maximum. So I'll just put it 5. So this is kind of rating. Description is kind of notes. Audio video, if you want to embed, we can use the embed codes. Suppose we have this form or we created the another form. So if I just want to embed, so I can use any video, any audio and just put it the URL here. So let's pick up one. So I'll select this, copy this video embedded. I think it is. I'll just put it this and done. So now video is embedded. Now this is unique ID. If we want to generate a unique ID, random number, random ID if we want to generate. The terms and condition, it is kind of checkbox. Every form at the end you can see there is a checkbox. So we can give this checkbox with our conditions. Signature and decision box is kind of checkbox. If we do not want to this content and we want to change the content, so we can use the decision box. Section, we know break, page break. If we use the section is kind of this is running in the one session. If I want to add another section, there is a heading, so we can put it the title and after that we will use the like adding a new field below that or in this section. So like the subform, I think, I don't know, you know about the subform.
Yeah, I know about this.
Okay, let's create. If I'm just using the subform below this session, so this session is going to be divided. Okay, because we are not using any. So like this way in this section it is going to be reflect. So like this way the payment, the CRM data, if we want to populate the CRM field or form, then we can use this like as a drop down or as another option if you want to give. So we can the last name we can select. The payment, if we are just going to give the payment access, payment is we can redirect to the payment gateway after submission or after anything if we want to populate. So this is the payment option. So let's save it and access the form. This rating up to 5. 5 is the highest. 5 is the highest. Star is working. So first, this is the first name field, and this is the system field. The text field, it is kind of single line. We can fill it. Email is there. Month and year we can select. So there is a month and year only we can select. There is no date, no time. Slider, rating, phone number, we can select. No, we can put it the phone number. Embedded video, it is there. If you want to play, it is going to be plain. After that, topic is the okay. This is predefined, and this is the accept invitation. What we say it is. Terms and condition. Terms and condition. Preferred slot. This is also the form part. This is the new section we have created. This is the subform. It's kind of reflecting inside that. CRM we can select the last name if we have the last name, so we can and this automatically shown in the drop down. So like this way we can customize the form. There is some deep logics field like the decision box you can use as a terms and condition and give your content. The signature we can use, the CRM or multiple integration you can use and give the field, show the field and all, and capture the correct details. And the embedded part also you can give it for small embedded session if we create for how to fill the form or how information is look like. Image file upload option is there. So
Like, what is this matrix choices? Like two different of choices, normal and matrix.
this is so basically this we can see in a single row. Let's add this. So it is also we can say um, multiple row, multiple column.
Yeah, got it.
So kind of matrix is a kind of same thing. We have the same row, same column. And if we use this text box, it is also created that we can create it. We can create. So like if you want to add your name or values, so you can add it here. So this is the option that you can add it. So this new option is there. The same thing it is working as uppercase, but there is a multiple column you can add it. So more than three if you want to add, so you can add it. This is for grid system. I think in the HTML also there is a grid system. So in a single column, in a two column, if you want to divide the form, so you can divide it and fill the values. Image choice done. Random ID is kind of whenever anyone is submitting the form, the system is automatically generate a random number and put it a unique ID. So random number, why we are using the unique ID or random number? It is kind of unique ID where every form have their unique ID which we are not generating, system is generated and that is not added. That's why there's both option. You can use the unique ID or you can generate a random ID. Okay, is there any doubt in the Zoho form?
Yeah, no, ma'am, continue.
I think form we clear about this, how the fields and all. So there
Yeah,
is no issue. So now this is the two option you can see here. So one is the email notification. Let's click. So this is the email notification. Yesterday also we see this thing. So okay. So I'm just checking one thing. Okay, so there is an option for template. Default, yeah. Okay. So we can create a template or we can attach the existing template also from scratch if you want to build. And if already you have built some template, so let's we can just start from starting. Setting. Mm, email templates. Don't know where it is. Okay. So for creation of templates, email templates, what we are just sending to the customer of submission or any condition. So let's configure and I'll show you from here also. But there is a separate options also. So if you want to create from scratch, there is nothing is available. You need to add the color combination, everything. Choose a template is one of the things. You can just select any templates like this we can use. So automatically this shown here that content you can change as per your requirement or customization how you can build the element we have, fields we have, setting option we have. Field, whatever field we have inside the form that you can simply drag and drop and whatever value we enter in that form, it is reflecting. So this is kind of dynamic field. If you want to give the designing color combination, everything you can give it from here. Okay, so let's save it. And, uh, uh, after selection the template, okay, so default template as per the requirement we can create. I think I need to check where, or I think in this it is not there. So this template is creation. This default template we can create and put it for our future. So every notification whenever any form is going to be submit, this mail is automatically going to be triggered. So for that we are going to be do the same thing. So in this mail, I'll just select the field which is in the email. If anyone put it any value in the mail, so its mail is going to be trigger, and this content is going to be reflect. Let's say first name, last name. Just save it. Now it is saved. A form is there. I don't know which mail ID I'm just using, but okay, it is mandatory, but there is no value actually. I need to remove this first. Click.
Think delete button will be on the right side of the field.
I can't click on that. Fish. Let me check I get the mail or not. So this I got this mail ID. I'll just enter in the top of that. The mail ID I got from this. This is the subject. So this kind of email we can trigger. So now if anyone is putting their own mail ID in the email box, that going to be trigger. So suppose because I am using the email field here. So in whatever value there is entering in the form, automatically that value it will take and just share the same content to that mail ID. So if we want to change or edit the content, we can add it from here. Preview, you can preview, or if you want to add any CC or reply tool, so that you can add it. So the mail section, I hope you got the things. For update also, we can create the same thing. Is there any doubt?
Yeah, no, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. So I think these part we will discuss tomorrow. The form and sending a mail, I think you got the things. So you can just create a form, whatever form you have created, you can just trigger a mail and on creation or on update, I think we don't need to like trigger a mail. A creation it is need to be necessary whenever if anyone any user is going to be submit the form, it's receive a mail for successful receiving a like generate a ticket or welcome kind of mail.
Yeah,
So
okay.
for you can just try this to do this. So I think that is a good. If we complete this, so almost the whole form part we done. Okay. Other is added response. There is a all some more options we can explore tomorrow session because for today I think the forms and the logics it's need to be done. So as per that, I think form we already like discussed yesterday. So logic email part we discussed the templates. Four kind of form we can create now. ZII we not try, but other we can do. So integration with CRM and creator also you have done. So this is also not need to. So in this section, in this date, we are basically tomorrow. In this, we just covered the other settings part, the Zoho form settings. After that, we will move in the webhook and format. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I think that's it for today. Let's connect tomorrow, same time. Other is not joining the call.
Like, have you asked about them, like, to Vinesh or